Situated in the heart of Felinfoel, this property is perfectly positioned within close proximity of the local amenities, the Prince Phillip Hospital, which is just 5 minutes around the corner, as well as the local primary and comprehensive schools. It's a cracking little property and it's well worth a visit. So you've seen the property. If you are looking for a quick process, we've got everything ready to go. The survey, searches, the pack is available. So if you're looking for that swift process, this one could well suit your needs. Give us a call. This is my new listing in Felinfoel. I'm Dave Spear with Smith's Homes, and I will see you soon.